Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lip Monthly bag for December. And inside we do have a card, Walking in a Winter Wonderland, welcome to the December 2019 bag. Sometimes they have the products and the prices, but they haven't done that too recently, but I miss that. I liked seeing that. Well, let's take a look at what I got. The first item is by Hikari, and it's Cabernet is a shade. It looks like it's a lipstick. Solid black packaging. And there's like a little, there's something in the lipstick right there. Kind of just looks like a little piece of plastic maybe from this. But it's a really nice shade though, I like it. So that's the first item. Also have Sorme All Day Smooch Proof Lip Stain. And this is the shade Fatal. Another all black packaging. Oh my, yeah. That has like a marker tip to it. Oh, that's kind of cool. Feels like a marker too. So it's a lip stain. That's neat. There's two more items. This one is, I don't know if it's Evio Beauty. I may have said that wrong. It says it's a creamy lip liner. Nice shade. And then one more item. By Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. Oh yeah, so they did change, I forgot all about that. They, instead of just being all lip products, there's one non-lip product in there now. So this is it, it's an eyeshadow stick. Which I think that's cool. So, I mean, some people have a ton of lip products, but it's nice to have something else thrown in there. Morro Bay is the shade, and let me slice this open. Oh, that's pretty. And that is a shade I would wear. It glides on very smoothly. I'm hardly pressing down on it, and it's really pigmented. So very cool. So those are the items I got this month. I have lipstick, a lip stain, lip liner, and then an eyeshadow stick. And this is only, I think, 12 bucks a month, $12.95, something like that. I'll put all the information below in case you're interested. It's really affordable and a really good bag. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.